This kitten was buried alive when a tornado destroyed this barn. 2 days passed, and the farmer thought all hope was lost, but his dog Max wouldn't leave the wreckage. Max kept digging, barking, refusing to give up, and for hours the loyal dog clawed through wood and debris. The farmer finally joined him, and together they dug deeper and deeper into the destruction. After 5 hours of digging, they pulled out a tiny gray kitten covered in dust, dehydrated but breathing. Max refused to leave her side as they warmed her up. He knew she was there and he never gave up. Against all odds, this kitten survived, and one determined dog made sure she was found.